Hello friends, today I'll tell you an interesting feature of localhost. In our last video, I talked about the localhost, switching on of localhost, and keeping the website in localhost. Today I'll tell you many things on localhost, but with the use of the software called Xampp. Because in the last video, I showed you about the switching on of localhost with the use of Internet Information Service. But today I'll tell you about the Xampp software. Friend, this is Xampp control panel. With the use of this, we can start the localhost. We need not to open the Internet Information Service (IIS) and host the website. So with the help of this Xampp control panel, we can start the Apache server port 80, and thereafter we can host the website on our WLAN or LAN connection. This software helps in putting the website on server, as this supports Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat. These are the options for switching on the port, and it also supports HTML, XML, PHP, and many more languages. So I'll tell you, with the use of Xampp software, you can host a website, that too a WordPress website, and you can learn a lot, and even you can transmit it to the WLAN, so user can access with the help of WLAN or LAN connection, and they can get all the data which can be kept on the WordPress website. So here we can start the first we need to install the Xampp software. Thereafter start the control panel. In control panel, start the Apache server. It will switch on the port 80 and 443. So thereafter, open up the browser. In browser, you know that 127.0.0.1 is the address of the localhost. Instead, we can provide the name as localhost. It will open the same. This is the Xampp starting page /.php. As we know that PHP is supported with the Xampp software, so it opens up the splash.php. So after installing Xampp, the localhost page opens, this page. So we can continue with this, and we have reached the Xampp official page. So if we want to install WordPress instead of this Xampp page, because we need to host our own website. So if we want to host our own website, we need to create some HTML file named index.html, and thereafter we can put that file into the Xampp folder. But today I'll show you how to put the WordPress website on the server, localhost server. So this is the WordPress file I have downloaded. I'll put the link in the description. Thereafter you can download it, and you can find it on the official website of WordPress also. So I have copied that file, and I'll put this file in the Xampp folder. See, this is the Xampp folder. Here, enter into htdoc. Thereafter, paste that folder. Perhaps it has not been copied. So copy it, then paste it here in htdoc folder. It will take some time. Thereafter, the WordPress website will start. You can configure it and you can host it on the server. By pasting this, as you know, we have started the Apache server. We can do a stop, and thereafter need to start again, so that it can load all the files, and thereafter we will open the file, web browser, and in the web browser we can see that in localhost the same page will open as we saw in the last time, because we have kept the folder named as WordPress. If we will put all the files of this WordPress over there, it will open up the WordPress website. So we need to keep all these later on, but I'll show you with the named WordPress only. So instead of this Xampp, if we write WordPress, the WordPress page will open automatically. This is the WordPress page. Thereafter we can continue setting up the WordPress website, and we can host it via our LAN connection or WLAN connection. We can put all those things which we want to put on the website, or even the plugins are there to support sign up and sign in option in the WordPress. So this is the fully setup of the WordPress website, which user can access through LAN or WLAN. We can put our own website also instead of the WordPress and all. Opening up this htdocs in the Xampp folder, and keeping up the index named file, HTML file, will host that file and the supportive file here. In htdocs, whatever the file will be kept, that will be served as the file on the server, and the index file will be treated as the index page. So this is the process of hosting of a WordPress website on localhost with the use of Xampp software. And if you want to create MySQL and FileZilla and all, we can start the next button which is there in front of MySQL and FileZilla. So thank you for this.